Okay, so the Renault window switch seems to have developed a fault, and that window doesn't go down or up. Oh, it's an intermittent fault. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So I suspect it's the switch. So first things first, before I order a new one, is I'm going to see if I can get it to work with a little bit of contact cleaner. So trim removal tool, lift that out. Again, it might be a two-handed job. So yes, two-handed job. So give me a second. Okay, it is a bit of a faff, but you can just lever it out. It's only clipped in. Hang on. Oh, God. Okay, it is a bit of a faff to get it out. It's only clipped in with these metal clips, and there's the contact. Oh, it seems to have stretched that one slightly, so I'll just bend that back. Okay, so let's get that connector off. Just push that in there, and that's, these two halves should separate. Oh, again, might need two hands. Yes, it does separate. So spray a little bit of cleaner in there, a little bit of cleaner in there, into the joints, and operate the switches. See if that works. Spray away. Annoyingly, I've lost the straw off this, but never mind. In there, shake that off, turn it over, get in there, and then work it in with the switches. There's a two-stage switch for the driver's side, and then a second for full closure or full opening or part opening, and no such luxury for the passenger side, I'm afraid. Sounds switchy, that's encouraging. Let that dry off, then put that connector back in there, put it back down, and test the window. Actually, I'll probably test the window before I reinstall the switch properly. Let's have a go. Okay, this time with the ignition on, let's see how the window... Oh, look at that. Single operation. Excellent. Full operation. Doing its job. Full opening. Doing its job. Excellent, job well done. Right, shove that back in there, and I do mean shove. Very happy. Right, okay, next time on How I Waste an Afternoon, I'll try something else.